Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys app hide setting, how to use in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to hide app in your iqoo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to hide app one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you want to hide apps in iqoo mobile. So friends, open your phone setting, and in your iqoo mobile friends, scroll down here, open your phone security password setting. Again scroll down here and friends, click here privacy setting, select your password type. Then friends, you can hide app in your iqoo mobile. Friends, I will use 4-digit password, and my password is 2580. Remember your password. If you forget your password, you will have to reset your iqoo mobile. And friends, remember your security question answer also. So friends, I will enter my phone name iqoo. And friends, if you click here, so you can change question also. What is your favorite food color? So you can change question also. Done option, click here. App hide setting, click here. Friends, you can hide apps. Example friends, I will hide my Snapchat app. Okay option. Share code light app friends, I will hide. My game app I will hide. And friends, YT Studio app I will hide. So friends, you can check hide application, click here view hidden apps. You can check your hidden apps. So friends, in my iqoo mobile you can see Snapchat YT Studio app is not here, my game app is not here, share light app is not here. So like that friends, you want to hide app in iqoo mobile, so you can hide app. And you want to check your hidden apps, open your phone setting, open your phone security setting, then open your phone privacy setting, enter your password. After enter password friends, click here view hidden app setting, and you can check 4 application is hide in my iqoo mobile. So guys, Snapchat, YT Studio app, share light app, and game app is hide in my iqoo mobile. So like that friends, you can use hide app setting, you can hide app in iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, if any problem in app hide settings, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends. And friends, you want to unhide any app, so friends right click here, app will unhide. Example friends, I will unhide my game app. So friends, you can check in my mobile I can use game app. So like that friends, you can hide and unhide apps in iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.